Hi, today we are going to discuss about merge sort technique. Merge sort is a sorting algorithm that follows divide and conquer approach. So, first of all, what is divide and conquer? Suppose if there is a big problem, the problem is divided into smaller problems. Where there is a big problem, that problem is divided into so many sub problems. Sub problem, sub problem, sub problem. And find the solution of these subproblems. So find a solution of subproblem 1, find solution for subproblem 2, find solution for subproblem 3, and find solution for subproblem 4. Then combine these subsolutions to form the original solution or solution for the bigger problem, which is said to be divide and conquer approach. The problem is divided into so many subproblems. The subproblems are solved. The solutions of subproblems are combined together again to form the solution of original problem is nothing but divide and conquer approach. So here we are using divide and conquer approach to sort the elements of a particular array, which is said to be merge sort in here. So it works recursively, dividing the input array into smaller subarrays. So where there is a bigger array, and that bigger array is divided into, so bigger array means the array may contain unsorted elements, and these elements are divided into so many subarrays. So smaller array can be sorted easily, and after sorting the smaller arrays, they are combined together to form the original big array, which is a sorted array. See here, what are the steps? Divide, conquer, merge. The array is divided into smaller subproblems until it can no more be divided. Suppose if there are 10 elements, the array is divided into two subarrays, 5 elements, 5 elements. Then the first subarray contains 5 elements. Again, it is divided into two subarrays, 3 elements, 2 elements. Then 3 elements are divided into 2 elements, 1 element, like that. Suppose if a small subarray contains only one element, it cannot further divide it. So that an array can be divided into so many subarrays. If there are n number of elements, the array will be divided into n subarrays. An array consisting of only one element is said to be sorted. So, an array is divided into n number of arrays, n number of sorted arrays. These n number of small sorted arrays are combined together to form a sorted array, which the procedure is said to be merge sort method. Here, it follows three principles. One is divide, the other is conquer, the other is merge. Divide the array into smaller subproblems. Conquer, solve the problem. Then merge the solutions. The smaller solutions will be merged together to form the solution of original problem. Here, the worst case time complexity of merge sort is order of n log n, because the array is divided into, every time the array is divided into two halves. Suppose if there are n number of elements, 8 number of elements, 4 elements. First array contains 4 elements, second array contains 4 elements. Again, these 4 elements subarrays are divided into two arrays, 2 elements, 2 elements. These 2 elements are divided into again one element, one element. So with just 3 maximum number of divisions, we can get all n number of smaller arrays. So these smaller arrays are again merged together to form the original sorted array. This procedure I will explain with an example. Here, assume that there is an array which is having 10 number of elements. The unsorted elements are 310, 285, 179, 652, 351, 423, 861, 254, 450, 520. Unsorted array. There are 10 elements. It is represented just like an array. So let us take this as an array. Divide this array into two subarrays. So because we are following divide and conquer method, this array we are dividing it into two arrays. So if I cut it into middle, I'm dividing the array into two halves, left array, right array. Left array contains first 5 elements, right array contains again next 5 elements. Again these two arrays are divided further until division is not possible. These 5 elements, I can again divide this into two sub-arrays. Equal array is not possible because there are odd number of elements. So 3 and 2. The first array may contain 3 elements, second array may contain 2 elements. Again these 3 elements are divided into 2 elements and 1 element. These two elements are divided into one element and one element. From here, it is not possible to divide further. Here, there are two elements and these two elements are divided into again two subarrays. In the same fashion, right side subarray is also divided. These 5 elements are divided into two subarrays, 3 elements array and 2 elements array. This subarray, which is having 3 elements, are divided into 2 elements and 1 element. So array consisting of two elements, array consisting of one element. We can't divide this further. And the array consisting of two elements can be divided into again two subarrays. Here these two elements are subdivided into two subarrays. So finally we have got first array, second array, third array, fourth array, fifth array, sixth array, seventh array, eighth array, ninth array, tenth array. Where there are 10 elements, the array consisting of 10 unsorted elements, it is divided into 10 subarrays. See here, the first subarray, there is only one element. If an array consisting of only one element, it is sorted. Second array, it contains only one element. An array consisting of only one element is sorted element. So, we have got 10 sorted elements. That is, by dividing the array, we have identified 10 sorted arrays, 10 sorted subarrays. Now we are going to match these sorted subarrays to form the uh, original array in sorted fashion. Now go back. So we are going back. See, we are going to merge subarrays, sub solutions. Say we have got 10 sub solutions. First solution, second solution, because this is a sorted array and this is another sorted array and this is another sorted array, etc. There are 10 sorted arrays. Now I am merging these two, first subarray and second subarray, 310 to 85. I am merging, while merging, I am making them in proper order. Suppose if I have two sorted arrays, I can merge them into a final sorted array. So these two sorted arrays are merged together to form again a sorted array, 285, 310. So the sorted array may contain elements in sorted fashion, 285 and 310. Now here I have one sorted array and here I have one more sorted array, 179. So these two sorted arrays are merged together to form another sorted array. So it forms another sorted array, 179, 285, 310, 310. Here I have two sorted arrays. These two sorted arrays are merged into another sorted array. So I will get a sorted array as 351, 652. Now I have a sorted array consisting of three elements. I have a sorted array consisting of two elements. These two sorted arrays are merged again to form a sorted array consisting of five elements. So the sorted array may contain 179, 285, 310, 351, 652. The same fashion here also. So sorted array 6, sorted array 7 are merged together to form another sorted array. That is, so 423, 861. Then here I have two elements, here I have one element. One sorted array, the other sorted array. So I will get 254, 423, 861. Here 450, 520. If I merge these two sorted arrays, I will get 450, 520. A sorted array consisting of two elements. Now, these three elements, the sorted array consisting of three elements, sorted array consisting of two elements are merged together to form one more sorted array, 254, 423, 450, 520, 861. So I have got here 5 elements in sorted array, and here this subarray consisting of again 5 elements in sorted fashion. Now I am going to merge these two subarrays into, again this is a sorted array and this is a sorted array. I am merging these two sorted arrays into another sorted array, so that I will get elements in the fashion 179, 254, 255, 310, 351, 423, 450, 520, 652, 861. So that all the elements got sorted here. The procedure is only one thing. There is an unsorted array. It is divided into two subarrays. Is there any possibility of dividing further? Yes. 5 elements can be divided into 3 elements and 2 elements. And 3 elements can be divided into 2 elements, 1 element. And these 2 elements can be divided into 1 element, 1 element. Once we get a subarray with only 1 element, it is not possible to divide further. So finally we have got 5 subarrays: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A big problem is divided into smaller problems. And the smaller problems are already solved, because an array consisting of only one element, we treat this as a sorted array. So we have created 10 sorted arrays, 10 sorted subarrays, 10 sub solutions. These 10 sub solutions, again gradually we are going to merge them together to form the original array in sorted fashion. Again we are going backtracking, you can say. So here these two elements are merged to form a small sub-solution, and these two elements and this sorted array are merged together to form another solution. Here these two elements are merged, we got a sub-solution with the two elements, and these three elements and these two elements, array consisting of three elements, array consisting of two elements, are merged together to form again another sub sorted elements sorted array. And the same fashion this side also, right side also, there are 5 sub solutions. These sub solutions are merged together to form again a sorted element. So here this particular array consisting of 5 elements in sorted fashion. Here left side we have 5 elements, right side we have 5 elements. Left side we have a sorted array, right side we have a sorted array. We are merging together to form another bigger sorted array, where the array consisting of now 10 elements. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all the 10 elements are placed in the original array in sorted fashion. So this procedure is said to be merge sort, which follows divide, conquer, and combine. I'm dividing the array first. Dividing the array, then after dividing the smaller sub problems, these sub problems will be solved. Finally, once we divide it into 10 sub arrays, automatically they got solved. So this becomes a sorted array and this becomes a sorted array, so that we got 10 sub sorted arrays. These sub sorted arrays are combined together. Combining is nothing but merging. So two sorted arrays are merged into one sorted array. Here, these two sorted arrays are merged into one sorted array. These two sorted arrays are merged into one sorted array. In the same fashion, left side also. Finally, left side we have got a sorted array consisting of 5 elements. Right side we have got a sorted array consisting of 5 elements. These two sorted arrays are merged together to form a sorted array consisting of the original 10 elements. The algorithm is as follows. It is a recursive algorithm which follows divide, conquer, and combine. Divide, conquer, and combine. Combine is nothing but merge. A big array is divided into two smaller arrays, and these two smaller arrays are again further divided till we find uh, array which is unable to divide further. So the first array, second subarray, third subarray, fourth subarray, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth, like this. Whatever we have discussed in the earlier slide. See here the algorithm merge sort A low high. A is array, low is position of first element, high is position of last element. Where there are 10 elements, say normally the position since it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1 means 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So 0 to 9, there are 10 elements. The indices are from 0 to 9. So 0, low is 0, high is 9 initially. So an array consisting of 5 elements we are trying to merge. We are trying to merge. You are trying to sort using merge sort, right? We are trying to sort using merge sort method, where we are trying to divide it into two subarrays. Two subarrays means we are going to divide it into two halves. So find middle. Find middle element, low plus high, 0 plus 9, 0 plus 9, it is 9, 9 by 2, 4.5, 4.5. You can divide it into 4 in 6 or 5, 5. Normally, in general, we consider it as low is 1, high is 10, 1 plus 10, 11, 11 by 2, 5.5. We consider 5. So it may be 4, 6 or 5, 5, whatever it may be. Anyway, we are going to divide approximately into two halves. Then once you divide this array, you are not stopping there. Again, you are dividing that into two halves, etc. So again, merge sort. Again, merge sort. Left side also you have to merge, and right side also you have to sort using merge sort. So initially we have divided the array into two halves using merge sort. Once you find left subarray, right subarray, left subarray has to be solved using merge sort. Right subarray is also to be merged using to be sorted using merge sort. So sort left array using merge sort. Sort right array using merge sort. See here. Once you find middle element, apply merge sort from A to low to mid. Then merge sort mid plus 1 to high. Suppose if it is 4, if it is 4, 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 elements. So I'm sorting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements using merge sort. Again 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next 5 elements using another merge sort. So apply merge sort on left array and apply merge sort on right array. In this fashion, recursively divides the array into so many subarrays till it is not possible to divide it further. Once it is going to some dead end, then it stops there. Once it stops there means we got arrays like this. See here. Initially, there are 10 elements. It is divided into 5 elements, 5 elements. Again, we are applying merge sort on these 5 elements and merge sort on these 5 elements. And again, these two are divided into further. So that finally, we got one element as an array, subarray, another element as a subarray like this. So we have got 10 subarrays. Once you got solutions, sub-solutions, you have to start merge, combine them. Then see here, you are applying merge sort on left array, you are applying merge sort on right array. When there is not possible to divide, whatever you have to do, you are going to merge A, low, mid, high. A, low, mid, high. Low to mid is left array, mid plus 1 to high is the second array. So left array and right array. A is array, left side there is an array, right side is there is an array, means A is an array, you are dividing the array into two halves, left array, right array, by using mid element. Suppose if you have a mid element, low to mid is left array, mid plus 1 to high is right array. Now if you have left array as a sorted array, right array as a sorted array, these two sorted arrays are merged together to form a bigger sorted array. Suppose here, if you got a sorted array here and if you got a sorted array here, these two sorted arrays are merged together to form the final sorted array. So whatever here, see here, it is divided, further divided into so many sub-arrays. So here, merge means low, mid, high. Low, mid, high means low to mid is left array, mid plus 1 to high is right array. You got two arrays, indices also. So these two arrays are merged into form a bigger merge sort, bigger sorted array. Here in this fashion. Here I have an array, I have another array. These two arrays are merged together to form 285, 310. Here I have only one element. Now these two sub arrays are merged together to form 179, 285, 310. Here 650 to 351. This is a smaller subarray. This is a smaller subarray. This is a sorted subarray. This is a sorted subarray. These two sorted subarrays are merged to form 351, 652. So this is a smaller subarray. This is a smaller subarray. These two arrays are merged again into to form a bigger sorted subarray. So 179, 285, 310, 351, 652. It forms a sorted array. So this is a sorted array and this is a sorted array. These two sorted arrays are merged together to form a bigger sorted array. In the same fashion, from this side also, the elements will sort in this fashion. 4, 6, 423, 861. Of course, they are already sorted. 423, 861. Then here this side 254. So 254, 254, 423, 861. Here it is 450, 520. These two are merged together to form 254, 423, 450, 520, 861. Now this side there is a sorted array, this side there is a sorted array. These two are merged into form the final sorted array as 175, 280, 254, 283, 310, 351, 423, 450, 450, then 510, 520, 520, then 652, 861. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 elements are there. So in this fashion, the elements are sorted. So the only thing is, the only principle is divide and conquer. Divide and conquer. Divide the array into so many subarrays. Then conquer the subarrays, that is find the solution. Then merge. Then combine. Then combine. Combine these sub-solutions to form the original solution, which is divide and conquer method. In this fashion, we can sort the elements of an array using merge sort. There is a single sort, there is a single array that is divided into so many subarrays. The final subarray is sorted one. So we know how to sort, how to merge two sorted arrays into a bigger sorted array. So here there are so many sub-sorted arrays. All these sub-sorted arrays are merged uniformly or in a then procedure to form a final contains 10 elements. Say here there are 10 elements. The array is divided into so many subarrays. Again, the array is divided into 10 subarrays. Suppose if it is n number of elements, and if there are n number of elements in an array, it is divided into n subarrays. So n subarrays is divided, but see in the previous example where there are 10 elements, for example, let us take for 8 elements. Suppose there is an array consisting of 8 elements. It may be divided into 4 elements and 4 elements. 4, 4. Again, these 4 elements are divided into 2 elements, 2 elements. Just for convenience, I am telling with a smaller example. 8 elements, then 4 elements, 4 elements, then 2 elements, 2 elements. These are divided again into 1 element, 1 element, 1 element, again 1 element. Here 1 element, here also 1 element, 1 element, 1 element. So I have divided one time, second time divided, third time divided. So an array is maximum divided 3 times so that it forms 8 subarrays. So where the array consisting of 8 elements with just 3 divisions, it forms individual sorted arrays or arrays. It is divided into smaller arrays. Further, it is not possible to divide any subarray. So it is nothing but 8 is nothing but 2 to the power 3. So 3 is the number of divisions that I can perform on an array. Suppose if there is an array consisting of n number of elements where it may be considered as 2 to the power m. So m number of times I can divide an array. If there is n number of elements which can be divided into m number of times. So what is m? M is log n. M is log n. So division. Then we have to combine all these n elements. So it is divided into n time m log n times, but all the n, say there are n number of smaller subarrays, n number of sorted subarrays or smaller subarrays, n number of solutions. So it is divided into log n times m times, and there are n number of subsolutions, and these subsolutions are merging together to form the original solution. That is, this is the equation for efficiency, m into n. What is m? Log n. N. So it is n log n. Time complexity is treated as n log n, order of n log n. So it is treated here. With a small example, we can find out there 8 elements are there. It is divided into 4 elements, again further divided into 2 elements, further divided into 1 elements. How many number of divisions we made? 3, which is nothing but 8 is 2 to the power 3, 3 times, 3 divisions. Where in generalization, if when there are n number of elements, n can be treated as 2 to the power m. What is m? Which is nothing but log n. Once you find n solutions, see 8 elements are divided into 8 smaller subarrays. Smaller subarrays are all sorted. Conquering is over. Now we are going to combine them or merging them. So n number of times we have to add or compare. By comparing only we have to by comparing the elements on subarrays only we have to merge them into a sorted array. So we need to have that many number of comparisons and number of comparisons m log n number of times. So that it is m into n. M into n is nothing but n into log n. So n into log n is treated as order of log n. The time complexity is order of n log n.